So I am currently on my way to U-Haul to grab an auto trailer. Did not expect this to creep up on me like that, but sold Volkswagen. I'm really sad. You're doing great, dude. Good. You guys want to try it? Yeah. We might not have brakes, but we'll be okay. We've got this guy.
What's going on?
Well, it's old, you know? Anyway, sold the Volkswagen, got enough money to justify buying an old beater of some kind. For a long time, I went kind of back and forth on what I should get for a project vehicle to kind of build out for our next YouTube video, and landed on the idea of searching for the world's ugliest minivan possible. Should we buy one? Dude, hear me out. This is what we're kind of going for if we build a Toyota van or a Volkswagen van. So I did some searching high and low. I looked everywhere and I think I found it. It was running. Just wait till you see this thing. It is horrendous. So that's gonna be my day, the first half of my day, going to look at this wonderful minivan. Well, that didn't work at all. Yeah, dude! Ew! Thing is sick! Man, I cannot believe it. I got this bad boy for 600 bucks. Unbelievable. It's not running, it's ugly, but 600 bucks. Man. Finally have a surf van. I have looked for months. Cannot believe I found this one. Price that I got it at, it's insane. It's gonna be a lot of work. It needs a ton of stuff. Like paint is number one. Maybe not number one. I gotta get it running first, and then I'll start making it look cool. Hopefully I can lift it. Put some big old fat tires on it. Maybe some knobbies, you know? I don't know. Definite roof rack is like there, but I want to get a basket on top so we can put boards up there. I can put a canoe up there. Goal was to find the ugliest minivan on the face of the earth, and I think I got it. I think I nailed it. What do you think, dude?
Yeah!
You like it?
Yeah. Something. Where? It'll be fun.
Well,
No, it's cool.
isn't it gorgeous?
Oh yeah, it's something.
What did you say in the house though?
It's small.
I like it, but thinking it might be a little bit small.
Totally, and it smells like fart.
And?
But
Did you call it ugly?
it's special looking.
It's perfect.
How are you gonna get it down?
I'm gonna push it off.
I love it! I love it!
Yeah?
It looks small,
It's epic,
but
dude.
it's big inside.
Gotta get up in there.
Ready, let off the brake. speed stop.
What do you think about it? Do you like it? You want to get in it? You see this AC up here?
Oh, is that what that is?
Isn't that crazy?
That's fair.
Super nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really clean.
It's like really clean. All right, you ready?
Yeah?
What are we doing today?
Working on that minivan.
Yeah, dude, day one, baby. We need to see why it's not running. Could you get behind your dirt bike and get all that stuff off of that plastic case? See where the light bulb is? To your right, light bulb. Light bulb. Cold. Cold. Warmer. Warmer. Nope. Warmer. Warmer. Oh, you're getting warm. Light bulb. Down one shelf. Down two shelves. Hey! To your right. Oh my gosh, that's your left. Holy smokes, bro. There's a light bulb. Right here. Oh, good job, dude. Nice. Take that over to the van. All right, now untangle this. We're gonna plug in this battery charger. This side right here, look, that side goes over there to the plug, and the other side goes to the van. All right, go ahead and open the door. Good. Let me show you this. Under the steering column right here, there's a latch, and you have to pull it. Pull it. Good. All right, now come on.
What does it do?
Oh, look. See that gap right here? That means that this is open. You find wherever the logo is, and you go right underneath it. And feel this. All the way up under there, you feel that lever. Pull that lever, and lift. So right now, when I turn the key, no lights come on at all. Nothing's happening. It has gas, it has a good battery. So our thing today is to be testing fuses. In this van, there's a little button, and you push that button, and it slides out. You get all your fuses up here, and you got your map right here. I got a multimeter in here, so it's a little easier. I don't have to pull out every single fuse. But if you don't have one of these and you just want to visibly inspect all of the fuses, it's really neat. On a lot of these fuse boxes, there's a little clip back here that pulls out. It's like these little tweezers. Ignition, all right, that is 7.5. So we're gonna go up here, find our map. That's that one. Pinch and pull. That one looks pretty good. So we can look at it, hold it up to the light. It's solid all the way through. Okay, these all look good. So, I don't understand. I went ahead and grabbed this because I just realized this is moving around. My life is never that simple, so I highly doubt it. It is possible. Okay, that sucks. It wasn't it. This is tight now. Tight. Let's see. Well, we have got all of this taken apart. It's just like spaghetti in here. No luck yet. I cannot get any lights to come on. All right, we're trying to get that to where it's shiny. So I don't know if you can see this, but it is cracked right here. Got a little bit of play in it. It looks kind of gummy, so I'm gonna try to clean up the inside of that, but
I'm afraid I don't know. I would like to phone a friend now.
you got lights on.
Lights, camera, action.
Come on! It's alive! It's alive! And now it's dead. No way. Oh man. Yeah, I had my foot on the pedal that time.
Keep it down as far as you can. I mean, that's too high, up high. Just medium.
Yes! That's what I'm talking about, dude.
Look at the smoke coming through the trees.
Jeepers. No way.
Take that, mosquito.
No way, dude. It smells like a $600 minivan. No way, dude. Sick. I should put a Auga horn in it.